Our approach here on the Anuga is clear, the keyword milk. With our strong partners, our valve and pump technology EvoGuard, with our homogenizers HST, and with the big experience of Milkron behind, yes, we can transport here our mission to have milk products, and especially what is here on the Anuga, we have a lot of customers with special requests. For example, heating up, cooling down of chocolate cream, rice milk, or other specialized products. And this is quite unique here on this Anuga trade fair.
The Milkron GmbH is working in the area of plant business in the dairy industry and in the food industry. The valve block is for these order we have normally for the fresh milk dairy. We have double seat valves in that block so that we are able to clean the filling machine separate from tanks, and we have a leakage in there that you avoid any mixing of such solution.
We are happy and glad to show our entire product portfolio, starting from a butterfly valve up to a centrifugal pump, and completed, of course, with our innovation, the so-called ESL valve, the extended shelf life valve, which is closing the gap between the traditional hygienic valves and the aseptic valves.
This is a high-pressure homogenizer for the homogenization of UHT, milk dairy product and milk products. And the capacity of that machine is 27,000 liters per hour, and the pressure is up to 250 bar. This homogenizer is equipped with an energy-saving valve. Multi-gap is the name. And with this valve we can save up to 25% homogenizing pressure. In addition, the machine has some savings in the media, water savings, energy saving in auxiliary circuits, and motor power savings. And that makes the machine very efficient.
We have positive feedback on the trade fair with whole customers from the whole world, very international customers talking to us. They are positively surprised about our capabilities, which we've shown in here. And this is the basis we would like to build up on in the future to win for Krones AG. Of course, new customers, new fields, for dairy, for example, as well, where we had plenty of customers here from the world. Therefore, we are, and the whole team is very positive, is looking forward for the future.